Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cooking with Celebrate. On this episode, we will be creating a decadent, creamy pumpkin puree soup as a starter dish for your Thanksgiving holiday meal. Let's go over the ingredients needed for this recipe. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 chopped yellow onion, 1 chopped apple, 4 garlic cloves, 1 bay leaf, 1 can pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/8 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, 1/8 teaspoon cloves, 4 cups vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 1/2 cup coconut milk, garnishes of toasted pepitas, and coconut. Come join me. So first we will start by mincing our garlic. So when you get the fresh garlic clove, an easy way to break it down, you'll take your clove and where it has the arch that curves up, you'll want to lay that down but have that arch be on the top. And you'll take your knife, you'll lay it flat like this, hit the knife, and that will break apart the garlic clove where you then can peel the skin off of it and then make it easier to mince it. Okay, so next we're going to peel, core, and dice 1 red apple. It's gonna be the most delicious pumpkin soup ever. Just do like Rachel Ray and we have like a discard bucket. So next we will chop 1 yellow onion. All right, let's do this fast so we don't cry. Oh, it's starting to get me. Okay, so next we will add our 2 tablespoons olive oil to a pot. So we added our oil, now we will add our diced onion and apple, and we'll cook these down until they're nice and soft. So now we're going to add all of our ingredients to our food processor to puree everything to make it our soup. So we'll start with our can of pumpkin. So pumpkin is really high in vitamin A, which as we know is great for vision, but it also is full of beta carotene and antioxidants. And especially this time of the year when we can start to get seasonal colds or the flu, antioxidants are great to help boost our immune system and help protect us against any type of free radicals that could form that can contribute to us just feeling that overall sickness that we can get this time of year. Next we'll add 1/2 cup of coconut milk. Next we will add 4 cups of vegetable broth. We're going to remove the bay leaf first from our mixture, and then we're going to add our apple, onion, garlic mixture right in. So next we'll add all of our spices into our food processor. And finally, we will add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. And now we are going to blend everything together. So once we're done blending to a puree consistency, we're going to pour our mixture into a pot on our stove. We're going to bring this mixture to a boil and then let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we will be ready to serve it. The last step, we're going to ladle our pumpkin soup into our bowl and then garnish it. Now you can use any type of garnish that you want. You can do pumpkin seeds, pepita seeds, shredded coconut, pepper, coconut milk to drizzle on top. So we'll first start with doing some coconut milk drizzled on top. And there you go. You have your perfect pureed pumpkin soup for your Thanksgiving dinner. Have a happy Thanksgiving and enjoy your time with your family.